Good. Good morning. Good morning. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. You guys have zero patience. The YouTube guys.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. You sure? Is my audio good now? Of course, it's good. Georgie, could you get any sleep last night?
A little bit, yes.
It took me a while to wake up today because I stayed too late. Let's see, but I took a look and I don't really see any setup. It hurts to say, but I don't see anything yet. the hell happened to this EJ? Did we have some continuation? We did, but then it got rejected. And it looks like we had some kind of news, right? Because that big candle didn't just happen. Something happened. Last night we did a simulator session, that's why we had to stay out late. The 1K to 1 million we finished it last night. 1K to a million. Can you check GBP USD? Well, what can I say? It's doing absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's still in this consolidation box. I mean, I'm waiting, but nothing yet. Let me see if we do have a level here. Let me check. Does this match with ooh, this looks good. If we break above, we're having a lot of rejections. Can this be nice? Maybe, but only if we do have a good break above. So let's see. Right now it's just consolidating, but I'm gonna look this 600 level. We'll see. We have a plenty of rejections. It looks like a good level. Also now we're having a lot of rejections, so we may take it if we do have a good break. NZT US dollar. Can we get a retest here too? Looks like it's already doing the move. This is the next level, and looks like it already came to the next level. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Do we have any news coming up or something? Let's just check before we look any trades. We have to check here and see. FPC meetings. So I'm gonna have a meeting. What is the site to check brokers? I think it was Wix, something Wix. Let me see. No, WikiFX. WikiFX. Website you use for fundamentals. myfxbook.com. I'm looking at the US dollar here, but I don't know. I think it already moved. That's the problem here. And the next zone is pretty close. And from where price came, that's only 2 pips away. So we could say it's a rejection now, taking it would be too risky. Also, the breakout was not that good, to be honest. Maybe watching this candle, current candle close, then would see. But right now, I think we don't have a trade there. GBP Can this be another good setup? It can be. We have a pretty strong resistance above here. Lots of rejections. Can we continue to the downside? We can maybe. We've had a small support forming here, and if we do get a good close below, I don't know. We'll see. It's not very clear. EA. No, this is your NZD. Your NZD a mess right now. But if you guys caught this, the first break and retest was a pretty nice setup. The one that we talked last night made pushed 18 pips before coming to drop here. It was a pretty nice setup. Right now, we're in the middle of these zones. We are getting rejected here, like we said. We also have this bigger support that was broken before, but another zone here, another one here. If we do get a break inside, we can have something like this, but I wouldn't feel comfortable taking your NZD sells in these tight, small ranges in between. I'd rather skip it. EuroCAD. Can we trust EuroCAD? I mean, look at all these rejections. What if we break? This can be epic. I mean, let's wait, who knows? Because it looks very good. Check the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour looks pretty good also. Same level on the 4 hour too. All we need is a good break below, and we are in a very nice setup. Let's see if we get a good close below. We're gonna think about some sells here. If we close like this, like 8, 7, 10 pips, it would be perfect here. A retest, and we could continue all the way to the downside. If we don't have any news, that would be even better. EUD CAD. These pairs are secondary. I'm not really gonna look for a trade there, but I don't see much. Dear brother, GU, I'm not suggesting anything because we're still consolidating. You have to wait. Patience. Just wait until, we break some kind of zone, because you can't predict the price just from the consolidation, because you don't know if it's going to break above or below, or where it's going to go. You have to wait. Patience. EA is dropping. EA is very unstable. Very unstable. EDCAT. I don't know. I don't know if this level is good enough to take a trade there. Well, let's see. I mean, on the 1 hour, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Let's see. Let's see. We might give it a chance if it gives us a good breakout. Let's see. UJ's been consolidating a long time. Look at all these candles. It's been here for hours. USD CAD still dropping. What a bearish trend this has been. Look at this. Bearish, bearish, bearish, bearish, bearish. It's pretty crazy. Look where it came from. And it's still pushing down. Crazy. Aussie dollar. Well, the thing is, if you want to take Aussie dollar, we have to take it at this level. I think so. It's a minor zone that we created from before, getting rejected from this zone, creating a minor zone above, and now closing above, we might see something like this. But you know, I don't like the fact that we're going. No, actually, we're respecting this level. Actually, we are respecting this level. We'll see. We'll see. We might still have some more continuation. Magic Cheese, new by gamer. You're the man. You're the man. You saw Aussie dollar. I hope this trading day is not dead. I hope, because yesterday we didn't take anything. Cannot be the same. We need a setup. Your cat can be very nice. I'm gonna wait for this. Let's take a look at your charts now. Let's take a look at your charts, see what we have. Let's see. Euro SZD 30-minute. I don't know why you entered. Lower highs. No idea about this. Have no idea. But congrats on your win. It's not the way we trade. Can I set take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3 and stop loss on Magic Geese? Yeah, I think so. Magic Geese has an update now. It's even better than it was. Go watch on the Magic Geese page. See the updates. Do you have a recorded version for the $1 million challenge? Yes. There are 3 webinars on the challenge because we couldn't finish in the first one, so it took 3. EU employment and GDP in 20 minutes. Yes, you are right. 20 minutes, we are having some news coming up. Yeah, let's see. Employment change, it says low impact. I don't know if it's going to be high impact or not, but 20 minutes, we're gonna have some movements. We're gonna have some movements. I hope it doesn't destroy your cat here, because it's really good setup here. A lot of rejections. If we get a good breakout, this could be epic. And the US dollar, we talked about it. Still gonna wait because we already came to the next zone here. So gonna wait for a break maybe above this too. What if this goes all the way down, closes back in the range? That could be nice too, but I don't know if we're gonna get one. Could you go over your ideal entries? How do you mean ideal entries? What a ideal entry would be? Can easily find one. The one that we had last week. This was an ideal entry. This was an ideal entry. Why? Price came right at support, making a retest. We entered here, we got a rejection in 10 minutes. We got 20 pips in 10 minutes after it went all the way above, even higher. This was a perfect break and retest for me. We took this few days ago. It was a very nice setup. Ideal entry is when price comes for a retest right at where all candles are closed. Your cat is going good. Yes, it is, but we have news, so don't forget. News are coming. We gotta see what's gonna happen. Entered on the retest, but I think maybe the break was not enough and stopped out. Yeah, Nick, I think the problem is I talked about EA before. It is not stable. It's not stable. EA is very unstable, and when it takes too much time, I said last night, let's not trade inside of this consolidation. Maybe we're not last night here, but I said don't trade EA inside of this consolidation because it's just riskier now. The more time it takes, the higher chances that price not going to respect zones anymore. It was better to stay away. I saw the same thing, but I didn't take it. Next time, ask for opinion maybe, and we'll see. We can make a decision together if we want to take it or not. But like I said last night, it's no trade inside of this consolidation because price, it's not really respecting levels anymore, and it's very unstable. You know, this can go all the way bullish now because EA is too volatile. Look at all these daily candles. See how crazy this is? At the beginning of the day, it pushes all the way up. Then at the end of the day, it comes all the way close to the same place. And does this every day. So this is a 100 pip move. Every day, it makes a 100 pip range. So it's crazy. But I like to trade EA just in certain good situations when I'm very, sure about it. No loose, no orders after price breaks, because there's no need. Why do you need to set orders when you're in front of the chart? Orders are for people who cannot stay on the charts and they are afraid that they might miss the setup. So they put pendings or orders, pending orders. Let's say we have a breakout and you don't have time to wait for the retest, you set some pending. But if you're in front of the charts, there's no need to set pendings because you're right in front of the charts. You can take it manually. Please need a coin to buy at good price and hope it rises today. Very sorry, sir, but I have no idea about cryptocurrencies. What do you think of GA? What about AUDCHF? What about GBP? What about, I don't know. AUDCHF can be the worst pair average ticket trade maybe. We can take a look and you can see right away that there's nothing. There's a whole big consolidation box here. I think we can find some levels here and there in between, but there's nothing here to watch. It's nothing. It's a messy pair. See you. I'm gonna delete it because it is not worth it to trade it. GBP AUD. Let's take a look at GBP AUD, and there's nothing. It looks like a small zone here. Even if it was, it's already done. But I don't think I would take it honestly. Doesn't seem very strong to me, and also the breakout's not good. So on to the next. USDCHF has been consolidating here. I still wouldn't trust it. I'm gonna delete it. AUD maybe later on something will happen. Right now it is not. And EURCAD, just a matter of time because we have the news coming up. After the news, we can see what we can do here. EURCAD hasn't pushed yet below. Slowly doing it. We have another 12 minutes left on the clock, and we need a good break below. Hopefully the news doesn't destroy the setup. So we'll see. I thought you wouldn't stream today. Well, you were wrong. I just slept more today. Sometimes you need it. CAD-JPY, did I talk about CAD-JPY? Maybe I didn't. Who knows? Who knows if I talked or not? CAD-JPY may give us a very nice 4-hour breakout. Yeah. So a retest on this candle could be awesome. The level that we were waiting for from before. See how many rejections we have here? This is a serious resistance. Once we close above that, We also close above this 1 hour zone, and we get a retest to fly all the way to the next level first of all. After that, we may continue even more. So this is a range of 13 pairs, not bad, at least better than nothing. After the retest, we can expect some continuation. So we're gonna wait now. If he closes like this, it's very good. I hope it doesn't push more, come next to the straight to the next zone. Can I use this setup for option trading? I don't know. Try it, maybe you can. Do some back testing. But I'm not sure. I haven't tried it. 10 minutes left. High impact news are coming for EU, for Euro pairs. Coming up, coming up. Yo, King. Yo, King, we talked about Aussie dollar, man. I don't like it right now. We have better options. CAD JPY is on the list right now because your CAD has news right now and hasn't really gone below this to give us a good sign that it's going to break. When it breaks now, it's going to be from the news, so it's going to be risky. Let's see, just waiting for this candle to close because this candle looks pretty good. Also, the 4 hour is going to close pretty good. Hopefully leaves no top wick. Comes straight for retest, then we go for making a new top wick. And we continue all the way up. No, no, no, no. Wait for us. Trying to move without us. Then gives us no retest straight to the next zone.
USD cat is also trying to break down.
I'm not sure about CJ. You see that resistance strong? What resistance? It's the same resistance. We are going above that, so plenty of more room to push. We have pushed. It's the same level on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. It matches perfectly. I'm not very sure about USD CAD. Not very sure. Because we don't really have much, like, we only got rejected once. So I'd rather just stay with CAD JPY because there are more rejections. And it's much better. We had more consolidation. We have also history on the left here. So we can base our trade on. And on USD CAD, we don't really have much on the left. See, it's nothing all the way to previous year.
No, it's actually to 2018.
Yeah, all the way last
two
time.
years ago.
Last time price was here was 2 years ago. Wow. It has come very low. Let's see, CAD JPY is still on my list. Looks better for me. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left, and we're gonna see something. It's my FX book. Five pips breakout. Not bad. You can take that.
Mirman Jesse. CA.
Good way to. Good morning. How are you?
Doing good. Waiting for making money today.
Perfect.
Or losing. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, one of them has to happen.
Yeah, EuroCat looks also pretty good, but I don't think that we will get a break, right?
Yeah, I think it's the news coming. It might have effect on the euro. 2 minutes, high impact. Maybe it's not gonna have impact, but gotta be sure. We gotta make sure that we are clear.
Yeah, GDP. Okay.
Look, GU. I don't know what you guys are asking me for GU, because nothing here. It's still consolidating.
Oh no, I was saying GDP. GDP news.
No. I was talking about with others.
Okay.
Because they keep asking me GU, but there's nothing happening. I thought something happened, but it's nothing. There's nothing happening. Oh man, if there was no news, your cat's gonna be fire. Have to risk it for the biscuit.
Yeah, actually, I really want to take it. Cat JPY is nice as well, but it's slow.
Yeah, I think his cat JPY is gonna give us a weak breakout. If it closes like this, it's not good. Not good. 2.6. Take a trade with this kind of breakout, we're gonna regret it later on.
EuroCat is amazing.
No, your cat is way better. See the 4 hour? Oh my god, I don't like this so close. Your cat. USD cat, we're not taking anything on USD cat because only one time got rejected. We have no history on the left, so we need more rejections. No history all the way to 2018.
Yeah, no breakout on EuroCat, bro. In
No
some
breakout.
point, it's good because of the news, you know.
Yeah, at least it doesn't leave us. We'll see. If it doesn't break now, it can break the next hour, and it's cleared. We don't have any news, do we? No, so we're good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
I think we
3,
can also have
2,
great breakouts
1.
on Euro JPY.
Let's see if it starts to move weird. On EA, we're already having high spread. I can see here on the C trader.
Oh, bad number for GDP.
Let's see.
Final employment trend positive. So one positive, one negative news for now.
Yeah.
2 positive news, 1 negative news.
Employment change positive, better than expected.
Oh, 3
Man.
positive news and 1
Yeah,
negative
let's
news.
see.
That's
Well, until the next hour has to be, done with the news, and we might see, a breakout.
and catch APY is too weak for you. It moved a little bit more. No, it's too weak, right?
Oh man, I don't know. It's only 2 pips. Like, what are we gonna do with 2 pips?
Yeah.
Like, look at the 4 hour. 4 hours a week break. I hate to say this, but really I was looking forward to this trade, and it gives us a bad close. I mean, we can still continue now. Probably is gonna fill this wick and go to the next zone, but man,
Yeah, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Sometimes on CJ it looks like a big, like huge move, and then in the end it's like 2 pips. Same with the USD JPY. Those pairs are looking like they move 10, 20, 30 pips, and then it's just 2 pips. The current 4-hour candle looks like at least 40 pips. It's just 18.
If you look left and see how strong the zone is, you say, is this enough? Is this a breakout? A good enough breakout? It's not. It's not, unfortunately. Even though the way candles are formed, it is very, very good, to have some more continuation. It's just weak breakout.
Said on Euro USD, right? Would you have taken the first breakout? Have you?
I don't think this one.
Yeah.
No, I don't know. Because was some kind of news on this candle?
I don't really know. I just saw it spiking up, but there wasn't the payroll,
Yeah,
French payrolls, unemployment. No.
I think there was some kind of news because all Euro pairs did the same here. So I would probably not take this because it was affected by the news.
Yeah.
Can you gold? Can you gold? Oh, gold, gold, gold. Gold is like the worst drug of trading. Of forex trading. It's a drug. What can I say? Gold broke back in this range, did a retest, made some continuation. Now there's nothing actually. Created a small resistance here. Could be that thing. We might see some continuation, who knows. But right now, I'm just watching. I wouldn't take it. Either way, I don't take a trade on gold. I'm just saying. But if this was on another pair, I wouldn't take anything probably. Because it doesn't look good. Your cat, man. Your cat looks good. CAD JPY looks good. Can we take a small risk here? Maybe put our stop just below here, 3 pips. Because if it goes below the previous one, it's game over, probably. Still gonna wait. Still gonna wait because it's a weak breakout. It's weak breakout. Have to wait. What about EJ? If we break one more time to a downside, maybe we'll take a look. Maybe we'll take a look. USD is exactly doing the break and retest, but I don't trust it that much. I don't trust it because we only got rejected once. I like to see more rejections. Doesn't NU and Aussie dollar look good before forcing trade on CJ? No, we're not forcing a trade. See the 4 hour. What can I say? Aussie dollar looks good for some more continuation. But the only problem I have is that I don't want to trade these inside of consolidation. That's the only problem. Because everything that happens inside of consolidation can easily turn out in a fake out. We could still continue down, or maybe it could still continue up. So it's not a higher chance of going up than going down. I think so. Sometimes there is, but right now I don't know. I mean, looks perfect. Looks perfect. But if you look at it, you can find another zone here too, right? Can easily be found here. Doesn't take too much time at all. Right away we see all rejections. So coming from another zone right away, it's not valid. GBPUSD, I was saying before that we're gonna wait for this level to break on GU. We're having a lot of rejections. But NU is above consolidation box. NU is not above consolidation box. It's coming from another zone, coming to this zone. So we have pretty much nothing. It's the same as Aussie dollar. We're in between these two zones. I said before, we have to wait for price to break above this and continuation to this next zone, or maybe it breaks below, who knows. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. I mean, 4 hours is pretty good, but look where it came from. This massive zone here. You've grown this channel? Yes, we've grown. Forgot to tell you guys yesterday, we are at 9K, 9,000 subscribers. Crazy. Going for 10K. We forgot to celebrate. CAD JPY after this candle is up. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. You know what I would like now on CAD JPY? I would like to see this candle go all the way up, reject, then push another next candle, break above, then we could take the retest of this zone. That could be good. So we'll see. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait and wait and wait. It's about waiting right now. You think you'll ever hit 1 million subscribers? Oh, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I will. If I came to 10k, I can go to 100k, and I can go to 1 million. Why not? Look, today's webinar is going to be long, trust me, because we either finding a trade or we're not going anywhere without finding a trade. Mr. Silly, we talked about USD CAD. It's not good enough for us. We need more rejections. So we'll see. Do you trade New York session? Yes, I do sometimes. When we can't find anything on London session, then it's gonna be New York session too. Oh man, it's very slow right now. You know, last night on Asian session, I said, okay, we're gonna lose all good setups. We're gonna miss all setups because you know it might happen on Asian session. But Asian session was full, just ranging. Nothing happened. And look at GBP. Count the candles 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 hours of consolidation. Just imagine that, 12 hours of consolidation. It hasn't been doing anything, maybe just waiting for some Brexit news to move, but it just shows you how market hasn't been moving that much. 12 hours of consolidation. All we gotta do is wait until we get our trade, hopefully. What about 10,000 subscribers through $100 each at trade copy and do 1 million challenge? I don't know. That would be crazy. Having 1 million capital would make like 10K per day or 20K, who knows. Having $1 million account, you can't imagine how easy it would be to trade. You could just imagine how easy it is to trade in a $1 million account. You usually make 10K per day. You should trade Nasdaq in the 15-minute. It's more volatile and there is a lot of break and retest. Well, that's the problem. We don't need a lot of break and retests, and we don't need to trade on lower time frames, because that means we're not patient enough to wait for the higher time frames, which are way better confirmation most of the time. So you speak Turkish? Evet, Mehmetcan. If you can't trade with $100, a million will not make it easier. True. That is true. If you can't trade with $100, you can't trade with a million. Maybe someone can, who knows. But with the strategy we have, it would be easy money to make on $1 million account. It would be easy money. Let's see. GU might give us something. Trying to push above. USD can't close below daily zone. Would that cause even no rejections? Look, I just can't say that. I would just rather wait for more, because I don't trust it. I want more rejections, like on your CAD here. Merhaba abi, nasılsın? Ben de öğrenmeye çalışıyorum. Maalesef İngilizce almadığı için anlamıyorum. Evet abi, evet. He's saying, good day brother, how are you? Ben de öğrenmeye çalışıyorum. Maalesef means unfortunately. Muhammed Can, arkadaş. I don't know Turkish. I just can understand you a bit, but I can't speak it. He's saying that he can't understand English and wants to learn FOREX. What can I do? You have to learn English. Türkçe kursun var mı abi? Abi yardımcı olursanız sevinirim, öğrenmek istiyorum Forex'i. Just watch the charts and you'll understand. The important thing is that you see the charts. Just look how we draw them, what we do, maybe the language wouldn't be a big problem. Break and retest. We traded on an uptrend, on a downtrend, against the trend. We always wait for a breakout and for a retest. Always. How long did it take to learn the break and retest? Not too much. After a year of trying 100 strategies, I found good break and retest. You can learn Turkish? Yeah, I can. Easily. The truth is that we have to wait until the candle closes. So here's what I'm gonna do. Not gonna stop the stream, but I'm gonna go and eat some food. Then I'll be back and we're gonna continue, right? So don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back. We're gonna come like maybe 20 minutes pause, and we're gonna come after 1 hour closes. Yeah, 10 or 20 minutes before hourly close, and we'll continue. We're going all the way to New York session maybe, because we're not leaving without trade here. Hopefully your cat gives us one. So we're just going on a small pause. We'll be back again. But while we wait here, better to eat some food and we can continue for longer then. So just for now, it's small breakout. Eat some food and we'll be back. I'm not gonna stop webinar or stream or anything. Just gonna leave it like this. Just gonna leave it like this. Carlos, we're doing a pause now because you came now. You wouldn't know why we're not talking. Just like that, we are back. Just like that, we are back. Sorry for making you wait for a bit, but I had to do something. Now let's see. See what's gonna happen. Okay, so Euro US dollar. Nothing much. GBP NZD. Daniel, we don't really trade GBP NZD, but we might take a look now. Why not? EA still in this consolidation. EJ nothing much doing right now. UJ rejecting this support. USD CAD, guess what? It's a fake out. So how did we know it's going to be a fake out? GBP US dollar is rejecting. NZD US dollar got closed back in the range. Could we take some sells if it comes? Because it looks pretty good actually. I might consider some sells here. Might consider some sells. Honestly, it looks pretty good. We have a good range to fill to the downside. Only if we get the retest first. This could be very nice. This could be very nice. Yeah, we'll see. Comes for retest, I'm gonna take it. How do you make it happen on USD CAD? Well, see, it just sometimes you have a feeling it's not gonna work out, and we had a reason to believe that too. So there was not enough rejections. There was not enough, not a strong zone enough to take a trade there. GBP NZD. I don't trade GBP NZD, but I'm just gonna take a look for Daniel. If you're thinking about this, then looks good, not bad. It's just for me, it's not a prayer trade. It's too volatile, too risky for me. As a setup, it looks good, not bad. Close back in the range from before. It did a small retest here. Looks like it went to the next zone, got rejected. Plenty of zones in between. Don't usually trade fake outs, but I imagine you just traded like break and retest. Yeah, a fake out is basically break and retest same. It's just happening on the opposite direction. I'm gonna skip GBP NZD. I was looking at GJ here. And I was looking at the support it created. Then we had like a small close below, but it was too weak. Then we got close back in the range. Can this be a retest to continue up? No, I don't trade on 1 minute chart, never. Could this be a setup like that? Adjust the retest, continue more. Maybe then break this too and continue up. Or not. Something came up. Something came up. GBP is going crazy. Do you see? See anything? No? You see Forex Factory? Let's take a look. News. Any news? Oh, guess what? Situation is very tricky. Of course it's tricky, we know that. It is tricky way before. We knew that way before. Knew that way before, so nothing new, I guess. Nothing new yet. No way. G is dropping too. I wanted to break above. I just would feel way better to take buys here than sells, because we have a lot of zones below. EU 1 hour. EU 1 hour. I don't know, man. It's just there's too many zones in between. I don't really like EU. It's not clear. It's not clear. I would say it's the US dollar, but it's not coming for a retest. It's straight going to the next zone. See your chart. Yeah, but you can put your lines where it feels better for you, but we also have a lot of rejection at this level too. Now, which one is stronger? Well, they're both strong. It doesn't see much of a difference. I like that the previous candle closed no bottom wick. It seems just tells you how strong the momentum is. But still, other than that, I don't know. I don't know if I would be safe to take this. It's just we have rejections here. We do have rejections here too. And we do have also rejections here. Plenty of zones. Now, maybe it's better to wait for this to break. And then we have clear range to the downside. We can easily reject and continue down, but I would be more comfortable if we break below this. Then we have free traffic. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna wait for this to break. If price decides to continue down. The 4 hour is not good at all for sells. From what I see, it doesn't match with the 1 hour, so I would wait. GJ, well, I mean, it looks good. Why not? We've been consolidating on GJ for a long time now. As I said, like 12, 13 hours. The last 13 hours, it's been consolidating, nothing yet. Yeah, if we manage to have a good close below this, we might have something good. And we have a good range to the downside. Break of 800. We're gonna go at least at 600. Then 400 next level. I think this might be good if it breaks below, but we're gonna have to wait for that. What else we have? CAD JPY, it dropped. No wonder why. Small breakout. Your NZD. Your NZD. Blue and red looks kind of dope. Yeah, it looks like very nice colors. We might have to steal these colors. They look nice. Your NZD. Let's switch to 4 hour. Let's switch to 4 hour. Okay. If we close above this, I think we might have a chance for continuation. But we're gonna do this. Since last two times, look what happened. Price closed above this zone, but it continued only to this next zone here. And we already had a few hours ago 2 rejections here. And also if you look left, it matches perfectly with this other zone. So if we manage to close above, we're going to have a breakout and clear traffic all the way up. I think this can be epic. Now just a matter of time. This now is just a matter of time until we break above, and we're going to have a very nice trade, hopefully. Let's see, I'm going to wait for Euro NZD here. It looks very promising. Looks very promising. Let's see. I'd like to watch a movie while I'm waiting. Why not? Can I? Of course I can. Of course I can.
I have an operator 150.
Okay, we're pushing. How to draw zones. Man, you know, when I get this kind of question, I start to wonder. If you just go back a minute ago, what did I do here? What did I do here? This is a zone, right? Let's go. Let's undo this. Undo, undo, undo. So what does this mean? I drew a zone, right? So what else should I do to tell you how to draw zones? See, I put a line here and I put another zone to make it more visible. So how am I drawing zones here? I'm putting my line where candles are closed. So most of the time, support or resistance is where candles are closed. So this then is a zone, these big wicks. But at the end, it matters where candles are closed. See, it doesn't matter where price went. At the end, they all came and closed at the same level. Look at these. That's how you draw zones. It's not a complicated thing. If it's too hard to find a zone, then better skip it. So yeah, in every single webinar we do, we draw zones. Isn't that how to draw zones? If it's arranging if it's a ranging zone, that means we have to not trade at all. Just because it's range, it doesn't mean we have to scalp, because you can't scalp on a ranging market, because ranging means, look at GBP for example, means moving in a 10 pips range. You know, what can you do in 10 pips range? Basically nothing. So you have to just wait for a chance to come. It's gonna come sooner or later. It's just just a matter of time now. Your NZD is coming slowly, so we're gonna have a good chance here. Hopefully it doesn't go straight to the next zone, but gives us a chance at least. It is coming. If you're finding too many zones, it's not a very good sign. Maybe you have to just focus on the major ones. We are looking for Euro NZD buys once the candle closes above, which means once we break this level. Here's a major zone here. how you determine if it's a major zone or not. You look how big the movement was once price touched that level, right? That's how you determine how strong the zone is. So this is a major zone. Why it's been consolidating for too long and it still can't break. It's a major zone. What's a minor zone? A minor zone is everything created in between these two big major zones. This is also a major zone. So everything in the middle is minor compared to these two major zones. In the middle, there's probably a minor zone. As you can see right now, on lower time frames, we find a minor zone, which is this one. It is pretty simple. No, I don't look at lower time frames at all. No 15 minute, no 5 minute, I don't look at them at all. High time frames prevail always. The best chart to trade, well, it depends on your style, on your trading style. For me, 1 hour is one of the best. If it happens on the 4 hour too, it's even better. Will you stay till the next hour? Yes, I'm here because I'm waiting for your NZD. Still waiting, because this looks very good. Not gonna miss your NZD here. Looks perfect. Should be a nice trade when it comes. See, just waiting now. If you see a breakout and retest on the 1 hour, then you see 4 hour breaking that same zone, will you take the trade based on the 1 hour? Michael, this question is like, I don't even know how to explain. It's the same thing. If we're breaking the zone on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour, why does it matter if you're taking it on the 1 hour or on the 4 hour? Because they both break out. It's giving you a double confirmation, so just find the zone that fits both time frames and take the trade on that zone. Oh, if you see 1 hour breaking, 4 hour not breaking, well, you have a 1 hour breakout, so you usually take it. If you've seen us before, we take it. This case, 4 hours is not going to close, but still going to take it because 1 hour is also good enough. Yeah, of course, multiple time frames for new traders is just complication. There's no need to use. Start with one or two time frames first. Well, when you get a lot of experience, then it wouldn't matter that much if you use low time frames or not. For me, I don't care about lower time frames at all. They don't have effect on my trading, and till now it's going perfect. Yesterday I was trying to draw zones by myself on CAT CHF, but I screwed up and it was a fake out. Well, look at the pair you're trading, CAT CHF. Like, see, one of the worst pairs maybe. Why don't you just try to trade major pairs? Better. EA is breaking also, but I'd rather take ERNZD. It looks better. Not too much complication on ERNZD.
You know what I don't like? It said on UND,
Yeah?
these wicks to the left, both almost on the same page. Yeah.
No, I don't think that's a problem here. Look where they closed. That's what's important. I think this can be very nice. We can easily uh, complete this, fill this whole range to the upside, and it's worth it. It's a 30 pip range, pretty nice. Fakeouts are when price hits another strong zone, then comes to your zone for a retest. We've talked about fakeouts a lot of times. That's one of the main reasons when price is coming from another strong zone. GJ is still there. It's like it's not even moving. It's not even moving. Let's see. GU's, yeah, still the same. Nothing much happening. Stay with your NZD here because this might give us a good setup. Hopefully. We got some few more minutes to wait, but patience pays, so gotta be patient for this. Yes, yes, yes. After the pullback, we want some continuation to the upside. Bon appetito, thank you. Can you take a look at EJ? Honestly, nothing is happening on EJ. We're still in this consolidation here. What can I say? It's doing nothing. Still inside. Yeah, GJ in consolidation. A break below or above could be both good. Nothing's really happening. I'm just thinking if GJ breaks and EURNZD breaks, which one am I going to take? Because that can be a hard choice to make. EURNZD is pretty good. If GJ breaks below, it's also pretty good. Which one I'm gonna choose? We'll see. Maybe we're just gonna split the risk. Why not? Retest always on the next candle. It's not necessarily to be always on the next candle. Sometimes it can take more, but it has to be to not come from another zone, because that's what makes it risky after. GJ must go bullish. Well, we don't know about that. Maybe it's not gonna go bullish. It's breaking below, but it's not official yet until the candle closes. Oh, if you can't split 0.01, then what can I do? What can I do? Could USD CAD be ready for uptrend? In order for USD CAD to change the trend, on the way up needs to break a certain, major zone. Let's clear everything. Let's find a major zone. So a major zone on USD CAD is this daily zone around here. This daily zone, because it tried a few times to break below and it couldn't. But when it broke below, you can see how price went all the way down. So in order for price to change the direction, we need at least to break this zone to go to this next zone here. on the daily. Then to break also this zone, this is also a major one. If we do break that, we can continue even more. But an uptrend, it's not gonna be if price closes above this, you know. Like to have a very good trend, we need to break this zone, because this is even a better, a stronger zone, because this was the whole consolidation box. So this is key for USD CAD. If we break above this too, then we can continue all the way to this next zone, then to this, then to this one. So yeah, we'll see about that. There's plenty of time right now. This is not a good setup here on USD CAD, so we're gonna wait. Oh, look at Aussie dollar. Wonder why price didn't respect this, because it was coming from another zone. See all decisions we made, they were all right. So it just can be a very good lesson for you guys to see what happens when price comes from another zone, just like Aussie dollar here, or CAD JPY when the breakout is too small or weak. GJ is still not showing good signs. There's no momentum, there's no volume. Still waiting. Yeah, the market is dead. It's not deadly, but it's dead. It's not moving at all. Taking so much time right now. Almost there. So I have a few more minutes left. Let's see. News on USD. Non-farm productivity. Medium impact. I don't know if it's just gonna move the market or not. Seems like it's a medium impact. Maybe not. I'll be trading since 2016, so do the math. Still waiting for this. If this closes also the same as these ones, would be a shame. That would be a shame. Why do you need to choose between NU? Not NU, EN. Your NZD. I'm saying I have to choose one to take. So there's nothing about correlation here. It doesn't have anything to do with that. I was saying which trade to take, you know, because they're both good. Not in that meaning of correlation or anything like that. King, It doesn't really matter how times have blown accounts. You can't really count. I don't know. It happened before on the first year, so why do you need these details? How many times exactly did you break? Did you blow your account? And how long did you experience extreme drawdowns? How was the feeling? Uh, like I'm being interviewed. How much have you lost? I haven't lost anything. I lost in the beginning, but if I kept losing from 4 years, from 4 or 5 years, how since 2016, I wouldn't be here. Trust me, I would leave this thing if it wasn't profitable. I would say, okay, this I'm only losing money. I'm not going to continue this. I can't find a good strategy. I can't find discipline, but I found consistency. I found discipline. I found a good strategy. So my nails grew a lot in the last 4 years. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. Why not both? Uh, why not both? Because we can't use too much risk if we're taking both. That's why I said we can split the risk in both trades. Because if you are going to use 2%, then if you take both, you're going to use 4% risk, and that's too much, right? What you do usually, let's say. So instead, if you're taking 2% risk every time, you split one with your NZD and one with GJ. Or you just choose which one you like more and take that one only. But spread is not that bad on Euro NZD actually. Can I enter buy on this candle? No, you can't. Just wait, man. Wait for instructions. I didn't say take buys.
Good morning.
Ooh. Good morning.
Sad you want to go with Euro NZD, right?
Well, I don't know. It depends. I mean, both gonna be good breakouts. It's your choice. Look, it's your choice which one you want and choose. I'll see. Maybe I'll split the risk on both. Maybe I'll split the risk.
Yeah, I'm going with GJ.
Yeah, or you can go with GJ. Why not? Where is Euro NZD? I can't find on CTrader. Not gonna miss the trade because I can't find it.
15 minutes. That happens mostly to me. I can't set up my risk and then I miss the trade.
No, I'm gonna get ready because we have time.
I'm ready.
Where's Euro NZD?
Ready to go. Ready to rumble.
Ready to rumble.
Ooh, hello, hello.
Hello guys, how are you?
Great.
Hey Carlos.
How are you, Siad?
Good, thank you. Pretty good.
Are you ready, Carlos?
Yeah, I'm watching. I've been like 30 minutes watching the stream.
What are you watching?
Learning from you guys. GJ looks great, and Ian also.
Yeah, both looking good.
Yeah, both are good.
Euro NZD is gonna have even a better close. But there's still time, so we might get even a better close on GJ.
Can you just zoom out a bit on GJ, Siad, if you don't mind? Yeah, that's it. So I had like this. I think it was. Yeah, this one.
No, as a target, yeah.
Yeah, it's a target.
Yeah, same thing here. I said closing below 800 would send us to 600, so makes a lot of
Sorry,
sense.
I wasn't here.
Yeah. I just wanted to show you. It would be very nice. Like if
Yeah.
it closes like this, let's see
Yeah.
how many pips is this. If it closes like this,
17, 16.
that's yeah, pretty good breakout. You know, even if it rejects a bit, it can still be good. Then we have a next zone in another 10 pips, so it's pretty good. We have a 20 pip range. We're gonna easily fill that range, unless some kind of Brexit news come and screws up everything.
So you would enter at 870, is that?
I would enter at 70. I don't know if it comes all the way there. 830 maybe. 830 or 850.
850.
Yeah, somewhere there. 850 probably. But on the other hand, we got your NZD too. This can be also very nice. We have a good range to fill. It's very, very good. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for candles to close and see.
How's the spread on FTMO for your NZD? Does that anyone know? I don't know how to look first, to be honest.
It must be a bit higher maybe. So take GJ instead.
NZD. Oh, 1.2 pips, okay.
No, 10 to 15 pips, it cannot be.
It's impossible. 1.2, that's reasonable.
Yeah, 10 pips, it cannot be.
Yeah, it's crazy.
10 pips is crazy. Yeah, it can be 1 or 2 pips, that's all.
I mean, and 1 and 2 is really good to be FTMO.
Yeah, it's not bad. You only get better spread on IC markets or Pepperstone.
I'll tell you how much I have on IC markets right now.
Spread?
Yeah, on Euro New Zealand. Let me just open my MTM4.
Yeah, let me see. How can I see on CTrader how big the spread is? Spread is very low. Let me see if I can zoom in. So the spread is, yeah, 1 pips. 1 pip at least.
IC markets 1.4, 1.3,
Yeah,
1.4.
46 to 60, yeah. That's it.
Yeah, so it's reasonable.
1 pips.
I mean,
Yeah, it's good. You know, in EURNZD, for example, on major pairs you have better spread. That's why it's also better to trade major pairs, because spread is good.
yeah, much better.
If you
So,
trade,
Siad, what are you taking?
Oh, I don't know. I'm still waiting to see how it's gonna close.
Let me see the daily.
Because GJ is melting now to the next zone.
Look GG 4 hour, man. It's like screaming. It's a lower high on the 4 hour. So it should feel the range.
No, it always went to the next zone. It's over. GJ is over. See, it's what the hell? It took all this time. In last 10 minutes, it moves and leaves us without a retest. It's the worst thing ever that can happen.
What can you do, man?
You're still good though.
GU?
Yes.
No, GU is also the same.
Yeah, he have that a little bit lower, I would say, but yeah, the level.
Yeah, same level. We're having all these rejections.
Yeah, it's a bit. Yeah, a bit. This one too.
It looks like your NZD it's gonna be. Your NZD. Look, GJ. We had a plan on GJ to go for 600 as target after breaking 800, but didn't stay in the middle of the zone. Came straight to the next zone. So coming from this zone can be high chances of fake out. So rather stay with your NZD, I think. I think so, since your NZD hasn't gone to the next level yet. So I think it's good. Let's see.
And
Oh,
NZD
okay.
USD is also breaking to the downside.
Who?
NZD USD.
Oh, NZD, yeah. NZD didn't give us a retest. It would be very nice here, but now it's breaking below. It's not a very clear zone. It's not a very clear zone. Maybe here, but there are a lot of candles in the middle, which tells us that not every time price respects the zone. A little trickier. This was better if we got the retest. Your USD hit 4-hour resistance. Still good. It's still good, I think. Your NZD. Let me see. I think we can still push to the next zone here. We got a few candles rejecting this zone. On the left, it's a bit higher. And this one is more of a major zone. On the 1 hour, it doesn't really match with the 4 hour. It doesn't match. Because this is the next zone we have on your NZD. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Let's look at daily. Yeah, on the daily, it doesn't really make sense to have a zone there. I think we might continue higher until this one here. Daily 4 hour doesn't make much sense. I see that we have a few rejections. Oh man. I might take it with a small risk maybe, since it looks a bit risky.
Why would you say it's risky?
This damn 4 hour.
Oh yeah.
This damn 4 hour.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, but I still think we're gonna continue it. Could you see this 4 hour going all the way to the downside here? Wouldn't make any sense. And this looks so good on the 1 hour. This looks so good. All these rejections for nothing. See how many pips is from support to where candles are close to the breakout candle. 13 pips. Maybe it's worth to take it. Hi Sad, how are you? How's the market looking today? The market is very boring today. Been waiting for hours, nothing yet. I got a feeling that next candle is just gonna push through to the next zone. And we're gonna have no retest. GJ melting. Aussie dollar? Yes, Aussie dollar can be good. Is it breaking that zone? To Aussie dollar. Yeah, but I want a good breakout because this not good.
Hey Ziad,
Hey Ash, how are you?
I'm good bro. What about you?
Good, I'm good, great. Can't
Bro,
complain.
GU and GJ are both breaking to the downside.
They are good, yes, they are good, but we're right at the next support here. Maybe it's gonna break this too. Who knows? It's going too far right now. It's going too far. Let's see, we have to make a decision. Euro NZD is good. Aussie dollars, good. Maybe I'll take Aussie dollar. Yeah.
Yeah, Aussie dollar. If we can close below this previous lows, that would be great in my opinion. Below here.
Yeah. Yeah, that because it would be a good close then.
Yeah,
Below this.
we don't have nothing, you know, like here we got space,
Oh man, it's only
and after this we have all this space.
only 4 pips breakout. You
so
know, but it still good. Looks good though. Very good close.
yeah, yeah. Oh man.
I don't know. The hell is with these weak breakouts?
Bro, isn't it on a support right here?
Yeah, but it's only one candle. Look where most of the candles are closed. So this is our main resistance or support here. And this was only one candle. Because actually, when this closed below, this was a breakout, right? Did a retest and went
Check
all the
out-
way down.
Check out New Zealand USD.
New Zealand US dollar. Yeah, and it looks good too.
Much better in my
know.
opinion.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's gonna come all the way up here to make a retest. I don't know. Your NZD, your NZD. Tough decisions to make here. Life or death situation. Look at EA. EA went all the way up, close above this. I mean, is EA ready for another fake out? You know what? I would risk it on EA this time. Because, you know, finally it made a whole pullback to the upside. broke above. Now we might see some continuation, but it looks like it's gonna continue from here. What should I do? What should I do? Aussie
Bro,
dollar with weak
we
rate.
just closed on the resistance.
Who?
Euro AUD.
Oh yeah, probably. There's too many zones. It's crazy. Get AUD US dollar. 1 hour closed below the 4 hour. It's not closed yet. We have a 4 pips breakout. I don't know. Should I risk at least 0.5%?
I think I'm gonna go with AUD USD. First entry will be 165.
SD US dollar looks also good, but it seems like a bit too far to come for a retest. Even though you can come for a retest.
Yeah. And
Bro,
you
in
looks
my opinion, if you switch to GJ, like we have somewhat clean traffic because here it's a minor zone, right? Where it closed this one. Uh, Actually, it closed below this support 614. This support.
I'm not comfortable, even though I know that probably GJ is gonna reject whenever it comes, because it was a 12-hour consolidation. Okay,
And
there's
it
1,
broke strong
2,
as
3, 4,
well.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it was a crazy consolidation, and I think whenever it comes, we're gonna have a rejection, especially if it comes right now. Aussie dollar looks good. I don't know, man. I don't know. Look how good this is. It looks great. The only problem is the breakout is small. Tough decision to make. You know what? I'm taking Aussie dollar. There's no bottom wick, good momentum. I think we should continue. Do we have any news coming up? We have some USD news coming up, but they're medium. It's not gonna have big effect on the market probably. Yeah, I'm gonna take a sell on Aussie dollar. Take a sell on Aussie dollar here.
Bro, I think we should wait for an extra hour. Another hour.
Well, I took it. I'm gonna risk it because I don't see anything better than this. I don't see anything better than this. Let's see how many, what stop loss we can use here. I think 9 pips, yeah, somewhere there. It doesn't need to be bigger than that. I think so. Because once it goes above, we might have even a bigger continuation to the upside. So I'm gonna be in Aussie sells here. We have a 4 pips breakout, but it's Aussie dollar, so I can understand that sometimes it's a slow pair. Sometimes even 4 pips breakout can still be good. So yeah, I'm gonna take this risk.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna take it too. I just wait for a few pips more.
Yeah, it can come a little higher. If it comes a little higher, maybe I'll take another position. Let's see. We should continue to the next zone probably, which is this one. Once it turns bearish, we're going all the way down. You can wait also for NZD US dollar because it's also pretty good. NZD US dollar is also pretty good. You can wait for that too. It is your choice. Risk it for the biscuit, yes sir. Gonna risk it for the biscuit. But I can't stay much more. We made this pretty long, but I'll keep you guys updated. Stop loss. So just as some scenarios, just in case, if price breaks back in the range, which doesn't really seem like it's gonna do that now, it seems very promising. But if it happens to close back in the range, probably gonna have a retest to continue up, or you can just take a small loss in a 4 or 5 pip loss and not let to go all the way to your stop loss, because when it closes back in the range you may have the option that price might still continue straight to the next zone and not come for a retest. What sometimes it does, or most of the time when a fake out happens, makes a retest to continue when it closes back in the range. So it's your choice. You can either take a small loss, but you gotta wait for candles to close. Even if it goes against you, wait for candles to close, unless it hits your stop loss. But we can expect a nice move to the downside here, I think. We have to wait now, some patience. We took a trade, can expect it to work out in a minute. So wait and have some patience. Once it goes bearish, I think we're going all the way, feeling this wicks on the left, and then some more continuation. So let's wait. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to go now. Thank you all for being here. And yeah, very low volume. Maybe the volume is gonna kick in a few minutes or next hour. Then we'll see. We should have more volume coming in. So right now I'm gonna have to go and see you all. Take a look at how the trade's gonna behave. I think it might come a little higher here, just a little higher, and then we can have that continuation. All you gotta do is wait now. So thank you all for being here. See you. When to take profits? Whenever you're pleased. I'll go for 1%. I'll take that. Let's see how big the range is. 15 pips. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good range to fill. So we'll see then. Filling these wicks would be a first target for me, around 10 pips since it's Aussie dollar. And then I'll look for more, leaving a runner maybe. So for now, have a nice day. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Seth.
Thank you, Seth. I'm in as
Thank you,
well.
bro.
Let's
Thank
rock.
you, Seth. Take care. God bless you.
Yes.
Seth, send this in the chat.
Yeah, you're right. Nobody remembers you. Beto was the person in charge.
No, no. 0.4 pips already in profit, man.
You're rich, bitch.
Yeah.
Take care, boss.